How to find passwords on iPhone running iOS 18. In this video, I am going to show you where you can find and see all of the passwords that you have saved on your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So with the iPhone update of iOS 18, all the passwords have been moved to a separate app called passwords. So to find all of our passwords, we simply need to swipe from right to left till you get to the app library. Then just search passwords. Once you get into the passwords app, you will be able to search at the top for specific passwords. You can also see all of your passwords by selecting all, and this includes website apps and Wi-Fi passwords. If you just want to see Wi-Fi passwords, select Wi-Fi. Security will include any password that have been found in security breach. So if you check that, it will give you information about those passwords and help you update them. Finally, at the bottom we have shared groups, and this is where you can create groups with people such as family or friends to share specific passwords with them, and they can also share them with you. That is how you find passwords on iOS 18. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you in the next video.